Hey there, hi, how's it going? So, today we are trying out contact cement versus Gorilla Hot Glue on material, on fabric, and we're gonna see how it goes. So, if you want to know if these will work on fabric, stay tuned. So, the fabric that we are gluing together today, this is very cottony, very thin, as you can see, but it is a t-shirt material. This is spandex-ish, yoga pants kind of material. This is very thick. Yeah, you can tell how thick that is. I guess it's kind of like a pleather, something like that. And then we have faux fur. So I'm gonna be gluing these to themselves to see how well they hold up. And this one, I'm going to glue onto this piece, probably just like that, and see if it holds. I will meet you over on the desk. I'm going to be using this little piece of cardboard as like a paintbrush for the contact cement. Also, just a disclaimer, this contact cement smells pretty bad, so I would do this in some kind of place next to a window or outside, somewhere where you can get some ventilation going on. We're going to start off with the contact cement. So, it's been about an hour and a half, give or take. Maybe a little bit more. We're gonna go ahead and do the contact cement first. Try these ones. Okay. This is the spandex. Oh. Yeah, doesn't really work on spandex. Yeah, no go on the spandex. Let's try the what is this called? Okay, it's working a little better on this one, but not a lot. Okay, so that doesn't really work either. Let's try the cotton More cotton. Oh yeah, that was easy. Okay, let's try this then. Okay, this is harder to pull apart. Interesting. So I feel like this one might have worked a little bit more than the other ones, but it's still not good. I still wouldn't use this for a project. Okay, well, moving on to the hot glue. Okay, so we have our hot glue. We're gonna go ahead and start. Oh, this is another one of the contact cement that I tried, and it still doesn't work. So, okay, here we go. We're gonna try the spandex first. Oh wow. Okay, this is working amazing. Come on. Yeah, I really can't pull this apart very well. So yeah, on spandex, it works amazingly well. Yeah, that's not coming apart. So that one, check. Okay, we're moving on to the more cotton feel material. Ooh. Okay. I'm almost ripping the material trying to get this apart. Yeah. So, I think it might work a little bit less on this because it's so thin, but it's still working really well. Oh. Ah. Ooh, I got it apart. Okay, so that one wasn't as good as the spandex one, but still, I would use this for a project, you know? Okay, going on to this little scrap of fabric. Let's see. Okay, yeah, that did not hold very well. It's probably because this type of fabric, it's kind of like a canvas type of fabric, so I can probably just peel off the actual glue because of the type of fabric that it is. Alrighty, going on to the next one. I'm very curious about this one. Let's see how well it holds up. Oh man. Not very well, sadly. Look at that. It actually transferred over the pattern. That's crazy. Okay. So I have a different video comparing this onto different material, and this kind of hot glue actually works very well with this material onto a different material, but I think this type of pleather is not good for hot glue. Obviously, the hot glue is better than the contact cement on material, so if you were wondering, I would not use contact cement on material. I would definitely use hot glue though. And this type of hot glue is the Gorilla Hot Glue, not sponsored sadly. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments what you thought. If you guys are curious about any other products that you would like to know if they work or not before you buy them, go ahead and put those down in the comments. I might just do a video on them, and then you'll know. I wish you all the best, and I'm going to go now because my head hurts so bad. Have fun. Stay safe. there's a lot of crazy people out right now. Don't be one of them. Bye.